समय सीमित विषय व्यापक सो आई मीन एक्सक्यूज मु इंडिविजुअल एड्रेस कर एक्चुअली भाई कहले मोर शुणा मुझे आसी शुणा मुझे लास्ट भाई जो कहले रिसेंटली गोटे बही पढ़ुली नो मीटिंग टेक्स प्लेस एक्सीडेंटली इट इज अ डिवाइन डिजाइन तेणु जो मैंने भी those who have taken to teaching profession it is not accidental it is a divine providence it is more kahinki na I am the my both grandfathers they were very reputed teachers and they are known for the simplicity so bahut anecdote sunchi taka विषय रे from his students from their students तेणु से चाइल्डहुड मो पिला मानक टीचिंग पे होइछि मो पुओ is doing his fourth postdoc एबे पेरिस रे करूछि वर्ल्ड ऑफ बड़ मैथमेटिक्स IHS बोली he has passed from IIT Madras and in TIFL PhD कला ये भाई जो कहउथले जर्मन रे टीचर से जर्मन रे पोस्टडॉक करू से कथा मत कहउथला तो आपे कि सिविल सर्वेंट्स आर द लास्ट the teachers are given the highest place कारण तार से जर्मन रे थिला यूनिवर्सिटी पोस्टडॉक कला he was called to give a lecture in Oxford तार वीजा प्रॉब्लम है so his professor helped him by taking the highest authority in the state so सिटू में जानली जे टीचर्स मन केते इंपोर्टेंस जो भाई जो कहले जे एक्सपीरियंस में जो भल लागला से तुम किछि जस्ट because as I said you I myself is a student mu gote completely technically charged mu kaiki kuch mahankar आशीर्वाद एबले गोटे intellectually vibrant year I will be part ye bhi moji tankar आशीर्वाद I would never thought I'll be part of such a beautiful deliberation I was correlating se jo कहले dream mu dream kon करते मोर 2 वर्ष रो नाती अछि रे I was correlating what will be applicable to him. तेरे सलाह पर मो वाइफ को इधर इजी जिंसो तो कहर अर्थ होची जे टीचिंग इज रियली इट इज a call of the divine. So a teacher remains a teacher till the last breath. A teacher never ends. Eta mo nije honge libeche very close quarter I have seen some of the best teachers who never cease to be teachers. Actually I will try to cut short my things. Actually, I am really privileged. Apart से रही थी जो future teachers में देखो ची they are present teachers. They have got onerous responsibilities. जो भाई कहले बड़ा beautiful example देले जो से पिलाटार कथा. इतने मतलब अनुभव पाइला जे ये जो मां करो में पढ़ू दे उड़े जाकर जे you don't instruct. You create an urge to learn. Don't ask them to learn. What do you say? So, one teacher should not impose learning. So, they learn to learn how to learn. So, this is very important. So, somewhere I have read, so, don't impose your views. Don't make stick to learn. You create an urge for them to learn. The altruistic development item is very vast things. Mind, body, material thinta. ये तीनटा जिनिसटा कम unless a teacher himself is an example by just giving a you can माने विवेक कहल नहीं कि alas an ounce of practice. Alas an ounce of practice. That means you have so much of knowledge, so much of books, so much of commentaries on Gita, but alas an ounce of practice. So teacher has to be an example for what he is saying so that he is it will be very easier for them to make the things say सेटा actually mo wife is the whole teacher mu tab dekhichi she keeps on telling जे जो से कोते सब जो ता क्लास रो से यूकेजी टीचर थे despite being an MPhil in commerce से को जो सब noticed boy is the most brilliant boy what you require you have to engage in things से जो दृष्टिकोण था से जो आई साइट था से जो what you call the third eye से वो दैट इज से डेवलप करबे नहीं टीचर रो नैक The real true teacher, he comes out only for that. That is what it can go along. So there is a floodgate of things coming to our mind, and we have got very shortage of time. Once again, Professor Bhainku, I am thankful. Ji Professor Bhainku, it was a really fantastic discussions. Though at times it was looking technical, but se jaha total koile bhai ka bada simple way re jitne anecdotes re se chista to non technical man who is not a teacher all along a corporate who was doing the balance sheet of profit and loss how piche me janu thilu but easily bujhe dele example anecdote re it was a brilliant mu taku atanu koutili toro pila boyse ke 10 mas still it's not late. Try to learn from because से कुछ 3 वर्ष भीतर जो डेवलपमेंट हो जाए, it's a fact. हम भावचे somewhere I read every child is unique. इतना मैंने से सिनेमा में देखी है. But only thing is because he gave the patience to understand the real. एवं देखो तो केवल कुंभीर So infinite every child is symbolizing infinite possibilities. Infinite osimo. Anything, he can become anything. But he requires a good chisel and a good technician. Technician means, I am telling, here the artisan is the teacher. That's what I 100% I implicitly believe it. Both dhanyavad, thank you. Samaste bhalo rahantu. I hope by the time you go to your respective places, probably you are richer in your mindset, your attitude towards teaching. Thank you very much.